Hello, this is Lego Guy 11223344. I'm going to show you how to build the inside of the Millennium Falcon. First, you're going to need one of these pieces. You're going to put a black dot on there, like a 3-piece or something. Put a flat piece there. Put that there. You're going to need 2 of these colors in the same thing. Clip that right there. Like a sort of a 2-piece there. Like that. Now you're gonna put a black piece there. Looks like an open computer slot. You're gonna put this blue piece, like this piece. You're gonna need 2 4s. You're gonna need 1 gray, 1 tile, 1 green neon, 2 blue neons, and a computer system like this. If you have the Lego City police car or something, put that on there. And here's the chair, and here's the hyperdrive. You need like 2 of these antennas. Put those in the front. Put those in the front. Okay. And there's the hyperdrive, and here's the seats. 1 of these. 2 of them. If you don't have the same pieces, you can use something else. And there you go. And there you have it. The inside of the Millennium Falcon for Chewie and Han Solo. And it's really easy to build. Thanks for watching. Watch my other ones. Bye.